Woohoo! Just got a booking. Let's see what's going on here. Hi, I would love to stay at your place. Can you give me more info about the area as I'm planning on staying 6 weeks? Also, I'm a student. Do you offer a discount? Now, as a host, it's quite likely that you're going to receive an inquiry that asks you to provide a discount. Now, they usually go something like, they'll tell you something positive about their property, why they want to stay there, and then they'll ask, do you offer a discount, or I'm staying for 2 weeks, is there extra discount? In this video, I'm just going to go through a couple of ways that you can handle when you ask for a discount. So I do recommend this approach, especially if you're in an area that gets a lot of bookings at the price you want. Just basically be polite, just say no, that your Airbnb is priced at the right price point. You might want to, if it's a whole house, you might suggest that they find a cheaper accommodation, which could be a shared room at another Airbnb property, or even a local hostel. Now there is another option, and that is to offer this guest a small discount. You can do this by putting through a special offer to them. You might want to think about doing this if your property is underbooked or you're having trouble getting bookings. It could be that your property is a little bit overpriced, so just have a quick look. Now the other option is to offer a small discount. Now I would only do this if my property was very much underbooked and maybe the low season, and I was thinking that I'm probably not going to get many bookings in that time period. So if I want to really fill up my calendar and get some money coming in, then I might offer a small discount. Just be aware that once you do this might be only the first interaction with them. You might actually find yourself involved in a little bit of a Airbnb silent auction where they might be playing off 2 or 3 properties against each other. So that's another reason to think about whether you really want to go down this path. Usually once you've asked for a discount, you offer a discount, they may come back and ask for a secondary discount. Again, this could be a red flag. Now, from my own personal experience, I have offered discounts in the past. Now, I don't really do that anymore. Now, what I did notice is the guests that had asked for discounts are the guests that are more likely to, clear out all the amenities, ask for things during the visit, ask for additional items. I once had guests ask for, additional chairs to be brought round, even though the apartment only was suitable for 2 people and had 2 chairs in there. So for these reasons, I basically avoid offering discounts, and the advertised price is the advertised price. The way I offer discounts is through dynamic pricing strategies, and that is what I stick with. At the end of the day, it's your Airbnb, it's your house, it's your apartment, it's your property. So you set the rules based on what you think is best for yourself. I hope this helps, and good luck with it. Cheers.